Hello everyone, welcome. I need to remove a saved payee in your Lloyds Bank mobile app. We'll walk you through the process. So firstly guys, open the Lloyds Bank mobile app and tap the account linked to the payee you want to delete. Tap the More options or menu icon, often three dots, then choose Manage Payees. Scroll through your payee list and tap the one that you'd like to remove. You'll see their details, sort code, account number, reference. Tap Delete Payee, usually at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your choice to remove them from your list. You'll get a confirmation message, just like Payee has been removed. Now they're gone from your saved list. This removes the payee entirely, so if you want to pay them in the future, you'll need to add them back. And that's how to delete a payee from Lloyds Bank app. Like and subscribe guys for more banking tips and guides, and let me know if you want a guide on, for example, cancelling a scheduled payment or direct debit next. Thanks for watching, guys.